2020 Akins Ford F-250 Platinum in beautiful magnetic gray. Got the Wild Willies treatment, Everest edition with a 6-inch Procomp Stage 3 suspension lift kit. Love this new front end, new design, new transmission, new power. So many more benefits to the new 2020 model. And once you give it the Wild Willies treatment, it really comes to fruition. Fuel crush in 22x12 with a big wide stance. 37, 1250, 22 Toyo Open Country AT2, the extreme all-terrain tire. What a great tire. Road noise is at a minimum, ride quality is at a premium. So nice. See a nice stage 3, got your radius trailing arm there. Nice and stable kit. Love the way the overall handling of this kit rides out. Magnetic gray, platinum. All your convenience and amenities and creature comfort, safety features are all right here. Going with a 12 wide, you know that stance is going to be really aggressive, so you can see the -44 on a 12 wide really sticks out. I like the stance though. New tailgate applique design. The Ford logo is now no longer up in the applique, it's down on the bottom part there, so I do like that. The platinum and the Super Duty embossed in your applique, very nice. Signature stance, the power to pull the running board really makes it look even taller than it is. Got no issues. We did some minor trimming on that front valance. A lot of people want to take that off, but we just did a little nice trim work here on your front valance, but that's it. Everything else is gem up, no issues. Even with a 12 wide going 6-inch. Now this 2020 does sit about 1 inch lower than the 2019 body style. So keep that in mind if you are lifting. This truck is slightly shorter from the factory than the 2019 body style. But let me know your thoughts in the comments, guys. If you love this truck, give me a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you like what we put out there for you. More to come. Thanks so much.